It's our final newsletter video for 2024. How has this year gone by so quickly? We love this time of year, not just for the holiday festivities, but also for the excitement of our Advent unboxing, time together as a team, and of course, cherished memories with family. We hope you're finding time to celebrate with those you love too. But before we all unplug for the season, let's dive into December's news. Happy holidays, everyone. My name is Jess, and I'm the founder of Sallie Tomato. And in this video, we wrap up the year and share the final news for 2024 that Sallie Tomato has to offer. And be sure to stick around until the end of this video where we have an exciting giveaway and some behind the scenes. Plus, as you watch the video, know that all of the links to the items that I mention are in the description below in the order that I mention them. There is a reason why a beautiful plaid is tried and true and stands the test of time, which is why we've launched a brand new design named Designer Plaid and have paired it with our Rustic Garnet cork fabric for a stunning pair. And we hope that this combination of cork fabric will elevate any project. With the holidays right around the corner, these would be ideal for the perfect gift-giving project, whether a bag or gift tags, wallets, you name it, this cork will show beautifully. Our Cork Club members already received this brand new exclusive design, but it is now available on our website and at your local Sallie Tomato retailer. If you're interested in finding a retailer near you, visit our website and click on Retail Locator. Add your zip code or city, state, and then you can browse our map to see all of the retailer locations that are near you. And Cork Club members, don't forget that every month we give away a $100 shopping spree. So be sure to post your pictures using the hashtag Sallie Tomato Cork Club contest to be entered into the monthly giveaway. Our 5th annual New Year's Eve sew-along is right around the corner, and there is still time to sign up to join us during this live virtual event. You can choose to participate or just enjoy the sew-along. You will have access to the sew-along on demand after the event is complete, so you can go back and watch the video, pause as you sew to create the project. Or you could just enjoy learning the process and tips on bag making and embroidery. Every year we partner with SULKY to host this fun event, and this year we are featuring a freestanding lace design on the front of the Dutton bag, which is a pattern hack that we created exclusive for this event. If you don't have an embroidery machine, no worries. You can opt to use a ready-made piece of lace that you can purchase at a local fabric shop, or perhaps from a thrifted piece, or feature a fun faux leather texture or cork print in the center. The theme of this year's event is Western chic. The pattern hack and embroidery are exclusive for the event. We have hacked our Jessica bag pattern to include a faux leather border accent and a stylish strap option embellished with grommets. We do have some kits available on our website, however, the shipping deadline to receive before New Year's Eve has passed, so you're still welcome to order a kit, however, you may not receive it in time for the event. Of course, you can use fabrics that you have from your stash if you'd like to sew along. You will need to download the pattern and cut out all of your pieces before the event. There is a checklist included with event registration, so that way you know what to prep so you're ready to sew along with Ellen and I on New Year's Eve. We've recently added a few more spots to our Portugal trip. This is our first time partnering with Craft Tours to plan a trip, and we are so excited to go to Portugal with you. Cork fabric is one of our signature products, so we are very excited to bring you to the source to experience how it is made firsthand. You can browse all of the details for the trip and the link that we've included in the description of this video. This trip includes round-trip international airfare from New York City to Lisbon, Portugal, first-class hotel accommodations, tours, creative time with local artisans, free time to explore historical sites, unique shopping opportunities in specialty shops and markets, wine and olive oil tastings, and the highlight of the trip will be visiting a local cork farm to learn how cork is harvested, made into products, and distributed around the world. And speaking of Sallie Tomato Events, we had such a great time opening up our office and our warehouse for our holiday open house. Thank you so much to everyone who made the trip to come visit us, take a class, and to those who participated in our donation drives. We loved hearing about your holiday makes and enjoying some hands-on fun. And if you were not able to make it to our holiday open house, we will be having a spring shop and sew event and hosting another holiday open house next year. So we plan to keep our warehouse and office events an annual tradition. So be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and refer to our website, clicking on the events calendar so you can reserve the date and hopefully be able to make the trip to visit us. For our December giveaway, we are partnering with Bessie Pearl. Bessie Pearl offers pre-made bias binding made from high-quality fabrics for that perfect finishing touch to your projects. This month's giveaway includes a bundle of bias binding from Bessie Pearl and a pattern bundle that you can use your bindings on. We've included the Gwen and Townsend bags along with the brand new Martha sewing machine mat pattern. This giveaway bundle is a great opportunity to try Bessie Pearl's quality bias bindings on some Sallie Tomato patterns that you may not have tried before. The giveaway starts today and is only available for 1 week, so be sure to click the link below to enter to win. Our latest blog this month is here to inspire you for some last-minute holiday prep for gift giving, or perhaps even make this project for yourself for a fresh start and getting organized in the new year in your sewing space. Imagine starting the new year with a freshly organized sewing room, no more searching for tools or misplacing your favorite notions. And for a fun gifting tip, you can pair the Martha mat with some cute sewing notions or tools for the perfect holiday gift. It's easy to personalize, so you can make it extra special for your loved ones or sewing besties. I hope you'll check out our latest blog and kickstart the new year with the Martha sewing machine mat. This month, our newest tutorial blog is the perfect project for a last-minute gift or stocking stuffer. We've created a free pattern download for a DIY phone card caddy, which is the perfect gift for yourself or anyone who is on the go. The card caddy is a fast and easy project to make. It's perfect for all ages and styles. You can attach it to any phone case for a stylish and practical touch. It can be personalized with colors, prints, or even a monogram. The pattern includes 2 pockets, which can be used to stash your ID or essential cards and cash, keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. This is a great scrapbusting project. There are only a few simple steps to create this little card caddy. And for a fun gift-giving tip, you can slide some cash or a gift card into the caddy for a sweet surprise. It's hard to believe that we are already halfway through unboxing our Holiday Royale Advent box. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the daily unboxing videos to see all of the goodies and learning a few tips about the items inside. And if you haven't been following along, I hope you'll check them out. Plus, if you're interested in next year's Advent box, be sure you're subscribed to our newsletter to be notified of when the box for 2025 is available for pre-order. Our entire team has so much fun planning and packaging the Advent box, so I hope that you'll check it out next year because we've already started planning and have lots of ideas that we're excited to share with you. And as we wrap up this final newsletter video of the year, I'd just like to extend our heartfelt thanks for your support over this past year. Our team is truly a group of passionate creators and sewists, and it brings us so much joy to see all of your creative projects and things that you're making either with our patterns or fabric and hardware. We are very excited to inspire you in the year ahead, and from our family to yours, we deeply appreciate everything that you've shared with us and for supporting our small business. Thank you for being part of this wonderful journey, and we wish you a very happy holidays.